Alrighty, so we have got Nokia TA-1108. The problem with this one is says not charging, and once we plug in the charger, let's see if something comes up. It is not taking any amp. Even if you move it around, bend it around, no, it's not taking any amp. I'm not sure this phone takes a wireless charging or not, but we can test that. Okay, wireless charging is not taking any amp. I'm not sure this one's supposed to wireless charging or not. But anyway, so we have to disassemble this one, reach up to the charging port and see what's going on with it. Or maybe they said it's not charging, maybe it has no power, we don't know yet. And to disassemble the phone, we're gonna put it on a bottom heater for at least 2 minutes and we're gonna come back for it.